can't tell whether he's scared or getting ready for a fight. Dude better find a way out, cause he's surrounded. Good job, kid. Being grumpy with others, being adorable with you. Now we know who rules this house. Dog doesn't even dare to approach. This boy helping reconcile the conflict between cats sounds like a fiction movie, but well, it happens. Everyone has a friend who won't stop teasing at any cost. Dude doesn't even dare trying to go. Poor boy can just bark and wait.
Come on!
Such a clingy friendship they have. Do you think the same? Though how hard he tries, the cat doesn't move. Hope this German Shepherd finds a new bed soon. Unfortunately, this time, the dog messes with the wrong guy. That slap is definitely personal. When dog's grounded and this hairy boy is in charge of him. Rarely do we see a scene like this. Probably cats planning a strategy. Approaching slowly and making a sudden move. That's classic strategy. Want to see a modern one? This golden boy will serve you well. Top Mysteries dog can't be able to understand. Unlike others, this couple of besties is actually quite adorable. Better say sorry, kitty, or else he'll be there forever. Don't worry, huskies often do senseless things. That's their feature.
Oh!
What an emotional reel. Never mind, I spoke too soon. He loves her, but that love's a bit hard to explain. I will only do this one time, so look closely and don't ask again, okay? Who do you think will attack first? Comment below if you're right.
Real sick of y'all. Who gonna fight? Who gonna run up? Hey! Ow! Stop it! Hey!
When your friend asks you to be the babysitter while she's shopping. Dog needs a bit of a massage, and then this happens. When you have a friend who's a bit too clinging every time. And if you want a reversed version, we have it also. Kitty has waited for this moment from the very first. Remember that, the next time I won't be this merciful. Now, he has a kind of instinct to stop its friend. Be gentle, Kitty. Dog feels shy already. Nah, that's way too soon. I need more time. Typical couple of siblings when they have a boring day. When both are sulking, but no one gives in. Before messing with someone, remember to check the number. So does this dog. Bad strategy will lead to a loss.
What is going on? Oh my goodness. Are you guys fighting? Holy cow. Is he bugging you?
And that's also the end of today's episode. See you soon in the next video.